Welcome to Lee Virtual School and Session 1 of our first days of school. All of you should have received an email that included your students' login information, as well as you should have received a Chromebook at some point for your child to use at Lee Virtual School. This was either picked up from our district office or you will be using a Chromebook that was issued to you last school year. Either of those can be used for Lee Virtual School's curriculum. The first thing that you're going to need to do today is make sure that you can access the Getting Started task list. It should look like what's on my screen here, and it should have been emailed to you as well. It's important to know that this document is what we call a working document, which means that inside of the document there are hyperlinks that you will need to access in order to complete today's activities. Please take a few minutes to locate your task list from your email. Once you have located it, then you will come back, open up the task list on your computer, and follow through the steps that are listed for you. We're going to begin with logging into your student's Chromebook. If you're not sure how to do this, or your student is not sure how to do this, there's a link here that offers a tutorial on how to log into your student's Chromebook. You click on the link, click on Present, and it will open up for you a PowerPoint on how to log into your student's Chromebook. Follow through the instructions and make sure that you are logged on correctly. Once you're all set there, please review some information that's listed about important terms to know. Also note that throughout this document, if you happen to run into an area where you're having trouble, there are some troubleshooting links, hands that you'll notice here that says, if you are having trouble, then you can click on this link and it will offer a form for you to fill out so that we can get your issue solved. Once you have logged in to your Chromebook, you should land on the Lee County Schools Launchpad. It's going to look like the picture you see here, and you're going to want to find the LVS Elementary app. You're going to want to click on that app, and if that app is not on your child's Chromebook, you're going to need to fill out this form to let us know, and then access the Launchpad using this website listed here, launchpad.leeschools.net. Once you have landed on the Lee Virtual School Elementary website, you're going to look through that website and find staff contact information, look for important school announcements, important dates, parent resources, and this is where you're going to access your classes. If you're unsure if you're on the right place for your website activity, you may click the link here for the website tutorial. On the website, you're going to find the task sheet. Just in case you're not working with a live document now and you need that task sheet again, you can find it on our website. The next thing that you're going to do is explore your courses with your student. From the LVS Elementary website, you will click Daily Lessons icon to log into your classes. Do that now, then watch the tutorials logging into and navigating VSA and Educator linked below. If you click on this blue hyperlink, it will take you through a video that shows you how to navigate through your courses in Lee Virtual School. Please note, if you get to logging in to Florida Virtual School's website for your Lee Virtual School daily lessons and you can't log in, please let your teacher know immediately. Once you get in, you're going to take a look at your Language Arts English course, and you're going to see an announcement page. On that announcement page, you're going to want to click on the page chart. Once you open the page chart, please print out this document if you have a printer. If not, you're going to want to access the electronic version every day. It is best to print out this page and post it in a binder or have it posted somewhere in your school area at home. Once you have located the PACE chart, you can watch the next tutorial, Navigating Educator LMS tutorial. It's very similar to the video you just watched. However, it's a great refresher for the next part of the lesson that you're going to be doing today. You're going to follow through that tutorial, and you're going to need to send your teacher an email, going to need to locate My Grades, going to need to locate lessons, and then you're going to need to locate the Getting Started activity that is due for today. You'll notice that depending on your grade level, it will be different colors, but it will look the same in regards to the titles for accessing, such as Getting Started, or the numbers of the lessons 00.01. You're going to need to access the Getting Started lessons and complete through each of these pink boxes or the boxes on your grade level so that you can get a good idea about how to navigate through the course. Once you're complete, it's very important that you click this blue link here. This is your exit ticket. This is going to let your teacher know that you have completed this portion of the first days of school. Once you have completed that exit ticket and you don't have any questions, you're free to log out of the Zoom session, and this will complete the work that you need to do for session 1 on the first day of school. We look forward to seeing you back tomorrow to move on to the next portion of learning all about Lee Virtual School.